Hi there, as we have received MIUI 10.3.12 update on Redmi Note 7 Pro, I just thought of showing some video samples after installing the update and using it for few days. Here you go. This is the very first video after opening the camera app on updating the phone. Video was recorded under mild sunlight. It is 1080p at 30fps video. Still few frame drops are noticed and found that phone heats up and drains battery quickly when using the camera app. I did close camera app and opened freshly now. It is again a standard 1080p at 30fps recording and it worked without any issues, though I'm moving little fast, maybe because camera app was newly opened. Next, I tried with slow motion video recording and it is needless to say that frame drops are still noticeable, but Redmi ensured that frame drops are not captured in video details as you see here. Here is another slow motion video sample, but in indoors. Focusing nearby subjects is one more problem with slow motion video recording, which was there with previous build as well. I recorded another slow motion video wherein focusing struggles a lot, though the stutters are less. This is resulting in less details and sharpness in videos, thereby poor quality video. Hence, slow motion videos are still almost not usable as it is either having frame drop issues or focusing issues. This is 1080p at 60fps and found to be really good. However, 4K video is still very sluggish and definitely not usable considering the focusing speed and stability. Another problem noticed is with group selfies after this update. With front camera, there was an option for group selfies and now with 10.3.12 update, it is removed. This results in slightly blurred faces when taking group selfies. Only those who are close to camera are better captured and exposed. Others in the group will appear unclear. In summary, even after 10.3.12 update, frame drops in video recording are just reduced to little extent with slow motion videos, which makes slow motion videos still not good to use. 1080p recording, quality is improved to noticeable extent in such a way that videos are usable, though phone hits quickly and drains the battery. 4K videos unquestionably need huge improvements. Overall, video lag issue on Redmi Note 7 Pro is not completely fixed with this update and group selfie option is missing, which disappoints group selfie enthusiasts. Note that phone still heats up quickly even under mild sunlight after MIUI 10.3.12 update as well. This heating issue hangs the phone in its operations, particularly a big problem when using the Google Map navigation. Hoping that Redmi will fix all the camera and heating issues in future updates. If you have noticed any other issues with camera after this update, please let me know in comment section below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video informative, please share it with your circles and do not forget to hit like and subscribe buttons.